So hi, this is the demo for medical claim form submission phase 1 application. So I will just quickly log in with the admin password. Okay, so here when we log in with the admin password, we have 4 different modules: immunization, STD, dental, and transport. And let's quickly go to transportation, and I will give you a quick overview of the form. So if we view this form, you can see this form is just like the physical CMS 1500 form, and the values are coming filled up as you want. And this form is already been updated, so you can click in the section you want to update right here, and you can see the payer's address, payer name, healthcare insurance, and different fields that are required for the form are coming in the editable fields, and you can change them accordingly. Also, there are multiple checks, like if you just enter the zip code, the city and state will automatically be populated. Let's say I just enter here, see New Jersey and Elizabeth, it's automatically populated. You can enter different information like FECA number, date of birth of the patients and everything, and just click submit and it will reflect there. Also, going down to the other details that are the services reclaimed by the patient, here are the ICD indicators. You can add other diagnostics if you want. Let's say I add one this and I click submit, and you can see earlier there were 4, now earlier there were 3, now there are 4 diagnostics, and you can add the service as you want. You can add the charges, how much charge the total charge is and how much amount it is paid. You can see the total amount has already been paid by this particular insurance claim, and you can just click submit, and you can see the earlier there were 3 diagnostics and now there are 4 here. Now, if you want to change the update claim status, let's say this form is totally paid and I want to change the status to paid. So once the form is totally paid, you can see the amount is automatically populating, amount paid. And let's write a comment. And once this is submitted, you cannot again edit the form. You see, I am trying to click here, hovering here, but it's not giving me permission to edit. So once the form is paid, then you cannot edit it again. Now going to the main panel again, we have 3 different modules that are immunization, STD, and dental. Immunization and STD are similar to transportation, 100% similar to those. You realize the CMS 1500 form, and all the functionalities are similar. Now the difference is dental module, that is a little different form than the CMS 1500. All the functionalities like editing and saving are the same, but the form structure is different. You can see all the fields for being edited. Again, the same validation is there. If you just enter the zip code, the state and city will automatically be populated. Other checks like mobile number check and date of birth check are already incorporated with the form. You cannot enter false mobile number. The area code and everything will be checked, and you can just click submit and it will record your information. And we just quickly go to service section. You can see here multiple services have already been added to the form, and you can just click delete, or like you can edit the service or anything. You see I deleted one service, and upon submitting that service will be deleted, and again we are back in the page. Then there is another treatment billing and section. You can also edit these fields. You can add whatever details required in the forms, and just click submit to save the form. Again, you can do the same thing by updating the location claim status, and the form will not be editable after you change the status to paid. There are other features like admin role management. That is, if I assign a particular module to a particular role, and that particular role is assigned to a particular user, that user can only be able to see or edit that particular module. Let's say me has been assigned a role of immunization, and I have been assigned only the screen of immunization. So I will be able to only go into immunization, and upon login I will be only be able to see the immunization module. I won't be able to see STD, transportation, and dental. Likewise, if I have assigned STD and transportation, then I won't be able to see immunization and dental module. These things are managed by here, manage user role. You can see these are different roles that have been created. If we go we can see the access of these roles. Let me go to a role that has something. Let's go to immunization. Okay, here you can see edit patient, patient address, new claim form. These are the access that I have been provided, and if you want to edit, you can just go here. You can see these are the access that has been provided to this particular role, that is STD and immunization. So this particular role has full access of STD and immunization. It doesn't have any other access. So if I try to provide him ICD code, new ICD code and edit ICD code, so that particular role can then edit, view, or create a new ICD code as per requirement. So likewise, you can flexibly create any of the role, and you can assign it to a user. So this is our phase 1 of the form, and in phase 2 we are planning to integrate with the third party API for automatic claim form submission. Right now, after these particular editing, you have to print out the form, but in phase 2 you will automatically be able to submit the form. The user that is running this, the claim company, will automatically be able to submit the form via API integration. And other things like automatic I can say help box, a message box, or help chat will also be integrated soon in the phase 2. Hope you like this particular platform, and phase 2 is coming with another loaded features, and that will make the submission form very helpful. And also we have a planning of dashboard that will be integrated with the system, in which you can observe the number of claim forms submitted, those are unpaid, those are paid, and whatever the status of the claim form is. And also zone wise you can observe in which zone the claim form submission is maximum, minimum. Likewise, like it's a basically analytics dashboard that we will integrate. Thank you.